If you think pandas just munch on bamboo and elephants only trumpet, think again. Animals have wild ways to chat without ever saying a word. From waving, wiggling, and headstands, animals have silent signals down to an art. Pandas, they'll do handstands to mark their scent higher up on trees, claiming territory without a sound. Elephants, they talk by stomping. Those rumbles travel through the ground, sending messages miles away. Even bees bust out a waggle dance to let the hive know where the best flowers are hiding. And cuttlefish, they flash colors like underwater neon signs to warn rivals or woo mates. Each species has its own secret code, no Wi-Fi needed. So next time you spot an animal acting out, remember, you might be witnessing a conversation in a language humans barely understand. Silent, smart, and seriously cool nature's got plenty to say if you know where to look.